The next time the market crashes, 99% of people will panic. But you won't. Because after this video, you will have the same mental operating system as the world's top investors and fighter pilots. They don't succeed because they avoid risk. They succeed because they've engineered a system to dance with it. Most people operate with a critical design flaw in their financial programming, a glitch that mistakes turbulence for total system failure. Today, we're going to patch that bug for good. This is Captain Leanne from the Manifestation Flight Academy. Here, I fuse spiritual manifestation with scientific application and practical financial intelligence to help you break through financial drag and reboot your life's navigation system. The system glitch I'm talking about isn't in the market. It's in your survival instincts. Those instincts are designed to make you run from a tiger, not manage a stock portfolio. In finance, they cause you to make the worst possible decision at the worst possible time. Picture this. You're in the cockpit of your financial life. Suddenly, alarms blare. The market drops 20%. The yoke is shaking violently in your hands. Your instinct is to grip tighter, to tense up, to resist the fall. But as a former engineer, I can tell you that's how you snap the wings off the plane. Look out the window during real turbulence. An aircraft's wings aren't rigid. They are designed to flex dramatically. It is precisely because they bend that they do not break. A rigid mindset, one that seeks absolute safety and zero volatility, is the most fragile system you can build. Today, we're upgrading you to a flexible, anti-fragile system. To do this, we install 3 holistic manifestation flight disciplines into your operating system. First, we consult the wealth engineer. His logic is simple. Build a margin of safety. This is your financial shock absorber, a cash reserve that prevents you from ever being a forced seller in a down market. It's the engineering wisdom that says you build a bridge to withstand a load 3 times greater than what it will ever carry. Next, we get our orders from the high-dimensional flight coach. His instruction is counterintuitive. When fear hits, don't resist. Let the energy pass through you. Just as a wing lets air flow over it, you must let fear flow through you. Resistance is what creates trauma. Surrender is what creates peace in the storm. Finally, we link up with the neural system architect. He teaches us to use heart-brain coherence. When you're panicked, your prefrontal cortex, your rational brain, goes offline. By consciously regulating your heart rhythm, you bring your command center back online, shifting from a terrified passenger to a calm observer in the cockpit. Now, let's make this practical. We're going to execute the Holistic Manifestation Flight Operations Protocol. This is your standard operating procedure for turbulence. First, the external shield. Step 1. Calculate your survival cost. How much do you need for bare-bones survival for 1 month? Rent, food, utilities. No fluff. Knowing this number cuts panic in half. Step 2. Build the shield. Your mission is to save 6 to 12 months of that survival cost in a high-yield savings account. This is not an investment. It's your oxygen tank. It's the cash that gives you the power to say no to a bad decision. Step 3. Define the worst case. Write down what actually happens if you fail. You'll find it's not death. It's a temporary setback. Seeing the monster clearly shrinks it down to size. Next, the internal system. This is the eye of the storm meditation. Step 1. Enter the storm. Close your eyes and allow the anxiety to rise. Don't fight it. Step 2. Find the eye. Imagine a perfectly calm center within the hurricane of your emotions. Step back into that center. You are the silent awareness. Step 3. Observe without engaging. Watch the fear like clouds passing in the sky. Don't talk to it, don't analyze it. Just watch. Repeat this command. I am the observer, not the storm. The energy will pass. This is just a small part of our flight course. Want the full, Holistic Manifestation Flight Manual? Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and click the Google form link in the description to enter your email. I'll send you the complete PDF manual for free. Remember to subscribe to You Are Light. And I'll see you in the next class.